River Bend Repair, located in Eltham, Australia, is a project by Vaughan Howard Architects in collaboration with the nonprofit arts organization InPlace. This is not just a visually captivating home restoration project, it carries a profound meaning about architecture, nature, and culture. Before delving into the house's design, it's important to acknowledge that the project stands on the traditional land of the Wurundjeri people of the Kulin Nations, in an area known as Garambai Banj. This place holds significant social, cultural, and environmental value. Beneath the house flows the Birarung River, where the last remaining Wurundjeri eel traps still exist, an important symbol of cultural heritage that continues to be honored and preserved. Riverbend House, formerly known as Coming House, is one of the key works by legendary architect Alistair Knox. Perched atop a riverbank with sweeping views upstream and downstream, the house reflects a lifestyle deeply connected to nature, an ethos that has shaped Eltham's long-standing tradition of artistic expression. But by 2015, this house had been forgotten. Abandoned, left to deteriorate, and facing the threat of demolition by the local council. This marked the beginning of InPlace intervention, an effort not only to save a physical structure but to protect a living piece of cultural heritage. The project centered around the idea of repair, a concept that extends to architectural heritage, cultural connection, and ecological restoration. A major change during the renovation was the removal of the wall between the dining area and kitchen, opening up direct visual access to the valley and river beyond. The outdated kitchen was restructured, including the removal of a bulky pantry to create a more accessible bathroom. Throughout the house, a harmonious material flow from interior to exterior enhances the bond between people and the natural world. The interior design is rich in tactile detail and material texture. Kitchen tiles are handmade by Anchor Ceramics in a gray-green tone that echoes the eucalyptus foliage outside the windows. The unpolished stainless steel kitchen bench subtly reflects the shimmer of the river, while the best corner by the window has been reimagined as a low timber writing desk, a quiet space for reflection or creative work. Every design element was chosen for both its aesthetics and functionality: leather cabinet pulls, pendant lights, and a dining table by local Eltham designers, and a ceramic vase crafted by Japanese-Australian artist Yoko Ozawa. New furnishings like the block sofa and Featherston chaise in the living area add comfort while preserving the essence of Knox's architecture, one that remains deeply tied to the surrounding landscape. The terrace, once neglected, has been restored using the home's original bricks, carefully disassembled and rebuilt by one of the original builders. A new zinc-aluminum roof replaces the old one, while Oregon timber and hardwood ceilings take the place of outdated, hazardous asbestos materials. In the bedroom, a calm atmosphere is created with sisal carpet that blends naturally with the earthy tones of the outdoors. Built-in wardrobes were removed to return the room to its original proportions. A new bed was crafted with a simple steel frame and reclaimed Oregon timber headboard. Even the bathroom's sliding door received a refined touch with soft blue paper and brass details, evoking the quiet elegance of a traditional bathhouse. But this project goes far beyond just restoring a house. Since its completion, it has become home to the Vaughan Artist Residency Program, welcoming over 24 artists from indigenous and diasporic communities who have created work here. This house is now a place of healing, for culture, for nature, and for the people who pass through it. River Bend Repair is not just a renovation, it's a holistic healing process. It's living proof of how architecture can become a bridge, reconnecting what's been separated: people and place, history and the present, design and meaning.